That's the noise he's making, bro. And also, I found out that this shit broke. And this goes all the way there. And this shit broke. I don't even know what that's for, bro. I mean, oil fluids, what? I don't even know. But let me know if you know what that nothing is, man, if it sounds familiar. If it's a belt tensioner, hydraulic valve, a lifter, let me know, bro.